Well, in that situation, because of the sinkholes that are predominant throughout much of the area, oftentimes a homeowner will call and say, you know, my well water's turning muddy after a heavy rain. And what's happening many times in this situation, there wasn't enough casing put in the well. There's an interconnection between the well and the sinkhole at the surface. And the well's not only getting mud and silt in it, it's also getting bacteria. So in those situations, the driller would have to come back and install a liner. That will be inside the casing, where he will pack off below the void where the water was coming in from the surface and seal that off. A lot of times that's not a problem with the driller. When he installs the well, that void may not be noticeable when he drills through it, but over time it may open up and cause a problem. So sometimes it's a situation that's difficult to detect, and it may not show up for 10 or 15 years.